Hello guys, Sagar here with a new video, and in this video I'm gonna unboxing and taking a closer look at Realme 10W wireless charger. So this is a Qi compatible wireless charger. Let's go through the box real quick. So on the front of the box we have a 10W wireless charger, Realme branding and an image of wireless charger. On the back of the box we have a 10W wireless fast charge, soft pad material, automatic device detection, 9mm extra slim body. For the price quoted on the box is 1299, but it's available in 899 on Realme website, and that's where I got it from. If you are interested in buying this product, I will leave a direct link below in the description. So let's unbox. So we have a charging pad, USB type A to type C port, and a manual and a warranty certificate. So let's keep aside. While this is really slim and feels very good, premium in the hand, I thought it will have some cheap plastic material, and it has some kind of fabric texture to it. We have a branding on the back. We need to supply Qualcomm Quick Charge 2.0 or 3.0 to enable the fast charger. It supports max input of 18W and output of max 10W. So I have a 18W charger. Let's connect it, and LED light. Let's connect this, and the LED light glows. So I have a Realme Buds here which supports wireless charging. Let's place it and try it. As you can see, the LED light glows, the charging has started. It works the way it has been advertised, and I feel it great for the price. I was not expecting such good quality from the Realme at this price. So that would be it guys for this video. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If it did so, feel free to hit the thumbs up button, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.